Meaning of diagonally.
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 Diagonally. Diagonally means in a slanting or oblique direction, typically between two corners of a square or rectangular shape. When an object or movement is described as diagonal, it indicates that it is not moving directly up, down, left, or right, but rather on a slanted path. This can create a sense of dynamism and energy in an otherwise static image or scene. Diagonal lines and movements are often used in art, photography, and design to create visual interest and suggest movement or depth in a composition.